Yo guys, it's Vivrock1 and today I've managed to upload 2 videos in 2 days. That's a nice thing. Okay, so today I'm going to show you how to make Smoky Nagata's infamous Supra in Midnight Racing Tokyo. It's not going to be the same guys. I've tried it. I've tried to do it and many people call it ugly, but I personally think it's really cool, the gold Supra. So yeah, I'm going to show you, and this is not exactly accurate guys because most of the parts were not available, but whatever I thought looked closest to the his Supra, I have bought everything, and I'm going to show you how to install it on your car, and then put the list of all the parts in the description down below. And I'm also going to tell you about who Smokey Nagata was because I'm sure many people must have not heard of him. I also heard of him right now, like a few days back. I wanted to make this video since a long time. So yeah, once you buy this, buy your Toyota Supra, it will look something like this. This is a stock Supra. It's a nice looking car, guys. Yeah, nice design, but it's pretty ordinary. So I'm going to show you how to convert this stock Supra into the Smoky Nagata one, the infamous one. So first you're gonna have to come to the tuning shop. You can just locate it on your mini map, and then you'll have to buy body kits from here. So no need to like shuffle and see, oh, which one was this, which one did we install. No, you can either see which one I installed from the video, or link to everything in the description, guys. All the parts will be linked to in the description. My God, someone has like 27 million in this server. Ah, it's a long time. Okay, so yeah, let's remove these leaderboards. And first thing you have to do is remove the car, otherwise it's gonna mess up a little the installation process a little. And go to the garage. So yeah, I have made a new build for this Supra. I have named it, as you can see, Smoky Nagata. And who Smoky Nagata really is? He is a car enthusiast from Japan. And he owns a company, a very secret company known as Top Secret Tuning. I think that's what it's called. His real name is Kazuhiko Smoky Nagata, that's his nickname, and he has founded a company called Top Secret Tuning. And he was actually arrested by the British government because he wanted to hit 200 miles per hour, and he did it in his and he hit like 197 like in his Supra, and he didn't inform the British government. So at night when there was no one was driving, he just flat out like on a British motorway, he just full speed like tried to break it, and he was caught. He was jailed for the night, and he was also fined quite a bit. So yeah, like 200 pounds in that time. This was like 1990s this time. So yeah, I'm going to show you how to do this. So that's basically an overview of Smoky Nagata. He customized mainly Skylines, Supras. Not many people like the look of his Skyline because the headlights are a little different. They are like these thin. They are not these ones. They are little weird. But yeah, I personally like it. And that's who Smoky Nagata really is. Top Secret is a very secret company, and it still operates today, tuning Skylines and Supras most mainly. So first what you're going to have to do is go to your body kits, and the first thing which we'll have to do is change the wheels. So the wheels which I'm you did I buy the wheels? Oh no. Sorry. I didn't buy the wheel, guys. So stupid. I'm just so stupid, guys. I forgot to buy the wheels. I thought I'd bought everything, but I forgot to buy the wheels. The main thing. Great. And I can't remember which one. Like, I can't remember which one it was, guys. The wheel, let's see. Nope, it wasn't this one. It was like just after those gold wheels. So I don't really know. Oh yeah, the gold wheels are here. So I think it was, no. Huh? Okay, that's weird. Was it this? No, it wasn't this. It was this. Nope. Just forward this part, right? Just forward it. Just for this part. I am not really skilled at editing, so I don't know how to edit that thing. So I'm just gonna leave it in, but forward it please, because I'll try to provide timestamps, but yeah, I'm not able to find this wheel. Just imagine that I thought I was completely prepared for this bit, but I forgot the wheel. Forgot the wheel. The main thing which is like important is the wheels, and I forgot to buy them. Wow, I am so. And I'll just check if I bought everything, because yeah. No, it wasn't definitely one of these. Where it is. I'll have to do everything from the start, guys. It's gonna take a long time. So yeah, as I said, I hope you watched my Paul Walker video. I showed you how to make the Supra. Link to all the parts of that video are also in the description. So if you can't find, just go in the description, check it out. That was a really nice video, guys. It was like a tribute to Paul Walker, who unfortunately passed away. But yeah, Smokey Nagata is very elusive. Not many people know about him. So yeah, not many people. This is so weird, guys. I just checked out all these wheels, but I still couldn't find them. Bolt CR10, no. Oh, yeah. They are these ones. They are the Bolt CR10s. The Bolt CR10s, guys. Buy the Bolt CR10s. They are. Oh, I'll have to remove all of these now. No, not this, not this, not this, not this, not this, not this, not this. Yeah, Bolt CR10. The wheel name is Bolt CR10. Anyways, link to all these parts will be in the description. Not link. How can I put a link to these parts? The name of these parts, so that you can buy them. Bolt CR10, hold to purchase. Thank you. And let's see if I forgot anything else. I bought the headlight covers. No, I didn't. I always keep on forgetting. Okay, now we are ready. Finally. Yeah, we are ready. We are ready. We are ready. We are ready. Okay, so now finally go to garage and put customize body kits, wheels, Bolt CR10s. Okay, Bolt CR10 wheels, side skirts. Which one was it? I think it was this. Which one? Which is the one which is no? It wasn't this. What it was the OEM wire skirts. Yeah, these ones. These are pretty close to one that he has installed on his Supra. So yeah, hood I am this going to go with this because I think this was the closest to one which he has. It doesn't have the triangle, but it has like these indentations. So yeah, this fan is blocking my view, guys. I'm just gonna put this bumper on. Okay, it looks cool, and I think it's pretty much like Smoky Nagata's. Nagata exclusive. Uh, do any of these bumpers match? Wait, let me just check. I have like opened a Chrome tab simultaneously. So I'm just checking if all my parts like match. This Supra is like very like it's different. It's different, and that's what many people don't like. He has tried to do something new, but many people don't like it. I think we are gonna have to go with a different bumper, which we are gonna have to buy as well. This video is turning out to be longer. I expected it to be like 5 minutes. We are nearly 10 minutes into it. That's me for you. I am like this. I forget stuff all the time. Yuck, that looks ugly. that's pretty close to what he has. That's pretty close. Close. This, not so much. Should we go with this, guys? Should we go with this? Yeah, I think this is the one which we are gonna go with today because it's pretty similar to the one which he has. The red body special speed bumper, you can change it because I myself am not sure if this is the right one. I myself am not sure if this is the right one. So yeah, if you don't like it, change it. But I'm going to put this. Or should I put some other one? Nah, let's just put this video getting too long, bros. Seriously, it didn't equip, huh? I like the indentation, which seems nice, but I'll let it be. Or should we change it? Should we change it or should we let it be? Sorry for the background noise, guys. Some work is going on. Nah, just kidding. No work is going on. No, we're definitely not buying that. We bought this. No, this is definitely not the one which he has. Should we equip this? Or should we like put this on? Wow, some bug. Yeah, I think this bumper is fine. It's fine. It was this, right? Yeah. I do not have enough money. Meh, we're just gonna have to go with that one. Oh, of course, I spent all my money on this build. Shoot. Meh, I'll earn it back. Don't worry. I can spend lots of money just to help you guys. So yeah, and I don't care how much money I spent. Like I do care, but eh, I don't care. We've decided you care or you don't care. No, I don't care. And his headlights are like this, so I've just put these on, but they look a little bit more aggressive. And for the weighing, I'm gonna go with this. This is highest tuning. This is pretty similar to what he has. And now, some, something which most people don't like about his car is that it's gold, which is a weird color choice. And by the way, that record which I told you about earlier, he did it on a public road, guys. So there were people on that road. No wonder he was jailed. But yeah, I think it's pretty cool that he dared to do something different according to what should we do and just put these things on. Special speed. He has some stickers on, but I couldn't find it. And just the body color on everything, on every part is pretty much the same, except the mirror. His mirrors are black, which are gonna make later. And we have to put like this goldish color, and reflectance we have to lower. No, that's yellow. Yeah, that's the exact color which he has. That's the exact color. His wheels are also like that, pretty similar. Gold, but a little darker. Let's make the mirrors full black first. Yeah, and skirts, lugs, caps. Yeah, everything became right. And yeah, his cap is silver. His cap is like this silverish gray color. Reflectance 0, boys. And the rest of his wheels are like this gold. No, not the cap. Lugs, spokes, rear diffuser. Let it be. What color should we make the rear diffuser? Smokey Nagata is, by the way, a really cool guy. He's like this. Uh, he don't care basically. He's he's like an outlaw. And we are gonna make this same thing to his wheels. Oh come on. Yeah, that's about it. A little darker, just a little darker, a little lighter. Yeah, that's his Supra in Midnight Racing Tokyo. I've tried to make it pretty similar, and this is what I came up with. Let's just take it out for a quick spin, and then let's end the video. Smoky Nagata Supra. Really? Ooh, nice. Look at this. Look at this nice RWB Porsche. Should I grind for this, guys? Should I make a video about this? Put in the comments down below. Acura NSX pulls up. Yeah, see, these are the noobs who don't know how to change the body panel color. Subaru WR is beautiful car. Beautiful, beautiful. Very beautiful. Beautiful. And we're going to spawn our Smoky Nagata Supra right away. It does look kind of weird with that gold color, but it's fine. Reverse it. Guys, I really like this gold color. I'm not gonna lie. I like it more than the Supra from the Fast and the Furious. I like it more, but Smoky Nagata is not as well known. But he's a really cool dude, and we're just gonna take this for a quick uphill tour. That's how you call it. So yeah, I am recording this video at 1:15 in the afternoon, and I have a tuition class at 2, and I have not even eaten my lunch. I thought this video would go on for like 5 minutes, but it's 20 minutes nearly now. So yeah, I might end it real soon. Wow, I'm actually pretty good with this Supra. This Supra is a really nice car, by the way. It's very fun to drive. Definitely better than the Skyline, because the Skyline is kind of boring. People say that it grips. Sorry. People say that it grips better, but yeah, it does grip better. But sometimes you don't want the grip. Sometimes you just want your car to slide all over the place, which is not that good for like new. I wouldn't call them noobs, but the new players, it's not good for them. So yeah. So yeah, that was Smoky Nagata Supra guy. Supra guys, really cool car. And I'll try to put a link to his Insta down below. If you want to follow him on Instagram, you can. And if you want to read more about Smoky Nagata, I'm gonna put a link to his Wikipedia page of his tuning company, Top Secret. I'm gonna put a link to the Wikipedia page so that you can, if you are like a very full-on like car nerd, then you can read all about Smoky Nagata. And if you know some interesting facts about Smoky Nagata, because I have not read his Wikipedia page, if you know some interesting facts, put them down in the comments below. And the most interesting fact, according to me, I will pin it. I will pin the fact. So yeah, that was Smoky Nagata's Supra, really beautiful car. I really loved it, and I had really fun. I had lots of fun making this video, and I will catch you guys in the next one. This is Vivrock1 signing out. Like, share, comment, and subscribe. Subscribe to my friends' channels. Subscribe to my channel. And if you want me to accept your invite in Roblox, I'll accept it. The only thing you have to tell me is your username in the comment box, and if you have subscribed to my channel or not. So yeah, and people who are already my friends, please don't send it again. People who like want to become my friend in Roblox, please send it, because I'm very selective in choosing friends. I have like only 60 friends because I'm very selective. I don't really choose that many people. So yeah. So this is Vivrock1 signing out. Like, share, comment, and subscribe. Read Smoky Nagata's Wikipedia page. Follow him on Instagram if you want. And I'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye.